In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do kind of a flip effect inside Premiere Pro to flip your video from one side to the other side. This can be very helpful if you want to fix the mirror effect that often reverses text on t-shirts or different things. So if your text is backwards, this is a good way to fix that inside Premiere Pro. Let's dive in and see how to do this. Alright, so I have a clip inside my Premiere Pro timeline, and the first way I'm going to do this is by using the built-in effects inside the effects panel. So if we navigate to the effects panel, if you don't see this panel open, you can always go up to Window Effects. I'm going to search for Flip. If you scroll down underneath Video Effects under Transform, you have two different flip effects. You have horizontal flip. So if you click and drag this to your clip, this flips it horizontally. So everything on the right is now on the left, and everything on the left is now on the right. You'll also notice that there's vertical flip as well. So if we click and drag this actually flips it upside down. So if you notice that your video is upside down, this is a good way to fix that. Now another way that you can do this while adding some other properties is by using the transform effect. So if we clear out our search panel, I'm going to remove these effects inside effects controls at the top left, and I'm going to search for transform. We can click and drag the transform effect to our video clip, and if we scroll down, what you can do is uncheck uniform scale and change the scale width to -100. You can see that this does the exact same thing, but you also have other properties to skew, to rotate, to apply opacity. So it gives you a few more controls while accomplishing the same effect. And for height, same thing, you can just change it to -100, and this flips your video upside down. I did want to note that you have to do this using the transform effect, as the general motion properties only allow you to change the scale down to 0. So those are a few ways that you can flip video inside Premiere Pro. I hope that was helpful. If you want to learn more about Premiere Pro, there's several tutorials on my channel. I will leave one that you might like linked right up there. Feel free to go check that one out. But that does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.